Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about the letter P and its relevant pictures: peacock, parrot, pineapple and painting. So this is the letter P and the sound of letter P is P. Now open the page number 21 of your ABC for Beginners book and hear the letter P, and P is the 16th letter of alphabet. P, P. Parrot. Parrot is a beautiful bird and some parrots can talk. Parrot. P, P. Peacock. Peacock has colorful wings and it looks very beautiful. Peacock. P, P. Pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit with hard peel and its smell is very sweet. Pineapple. Next picture is P, P. Painting. Painting is a fun. A boy is painting a P, P. Pineapple. Now revise all the pictures. P, P. Parrot. P, P. Peacock. P, P. Pineapple. And last one is P, P. Painting. Now students, take care and Allah Hafiz.